Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on your hosting or domain. First, log into your hosting account. Once you're in, go to the Websites section on the left panel. Here, you will see your websites along with your domains. So just go and select the one you want to work with and open its dashboard. Inside the dashboard, go to the Website tab on the left panel. Then click on Auto Installer. Here, select WordPress from the list of available applications. Next, type in your website title. After that, enter your administrator email, then create a username and password for your WordPress login. Once you're done, click on the Next button. Here, you can configure the installation settings according to your preference, such as language or version. When everything looks good, click on the Install button. And that's it. WordPress will now be installed on your hosting or domain. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.